What would it be like to wake up every day to the sound of the ocean in a mansion designed just for you, with every luxury imaginable? For celebrities, this is more than just a dream. It's a reality. These beach houses are not only places to escape to, but also a statement of wealth, success, and a life of luxury. In this video, we're going to take you inside the top 8 most luxurious beach houses owned by celebrities. From the white sands of Malibu to the pristine shores of the Caribbean, these properties redefine the meaning of luxury living. Stay tuned until the end to discover the ultimate beach house that tops our list. Let's get started. 1. Leonardo DiCaprio's Malibu Pad. Leonardo DiCaprio is no stranger to real estate. With a love for Malibu's stunning coastline, Leo has made a name for himself as one of the area's most notable beach house owners. His Malibu Pad, priced at $13 million, is more than just a summer getaway. Located along the prestigious Carbon Beach, the home spans 3,200 square feet of open-plan living, designed to capture breathtaking ocean views from every room. This home's sleek modern design perfectly blends with the natural beauty of its surroundings, making it a peaceful sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of Hollywood life. The floor-to-ceiling windows and expansive terraces provide an incredible space for relaxation and entertainment. Leo's Malibu retreat is just as impressive as his environmental advocacy, with eco-friendly materials incorporated into the design. Whether hosting private gatherings or enjoying tranquil moments on his own, this property is more than just a house. It's a lifestyle of luxury and sustainability. 2. Taylor Swift Rhode Island Mansion. Taylor Swift's luxurious beach house in Rhode Island is a favorite among her fans, especially after she hosted a famous 4th of July party here in 2016. The $17 million mansion, which sits atop 5.23 acres of land, boasts 700 feet of pristine waterfront property, offering some of the best views of the Atlantic Ocean. The house features 8 bedrooms, 8 fireplaces, and an outdoor pool that makes this beach house a true haven for relaxation and entertainment. Taylor's taste for both classic and modern design is evident throughout the home. With soaring ceilings, vast living spaces, and large windows, the property feels both grand and inviting. Located in the exclusive Watch Hill neighborhood, it's not just a place to unwind. It's a statement of style and success. From the iconic Watch Hill Lighthouse to the tranquil Narragansett Bay, this mansion offers Taylor a peaceful retreat from the limelight. 3. Rihanna's Barbados Mansion. Rihanna, the Queen of Barbados, owns a beach mansion that perfectly matches her larger-than-life personality. This $22 million property sits on the exclusive One Sandy Lane resort in Paynes Bay and is one of the most luxurious places on the island. Rihanna's mansion spreads over 10,000 square feet, offering a fully equipped gym, an outdoor pool, and 5 spacious bedrooms, each with its own private terrace. The architecture blends Victorian elegance with modern beach vibes, making the property feel both timeless and chic. The bespoke Greek pillars on the exterior lead you into a world of luxury that opens up to stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. Whether she's lounging by the pool or entertaining guests, Rihanna's mansion offers both beauty and tranquility. It's a space where the singer can enjoy peace and privacy while being surrounded by nature. This beachfront escape is undoubtedly one of the most sought-after luxury residences in the Caribbean. 4. Lady Gaga's Malibu Gypsy Palace. Known for her quirky personality and bold fashion, Lady Gaga's Malibu Gypsy Palace is no different. Purchased for $22.5 million, this 10,270 square foot beach house is a sanctuary for the pop icon. Located in the prestigious Zuma Beach area, the home sits on 6 acres of land and is designed to reflect Gaga's eclectic style and love for privacy. With 3 bedrooms, a large living area, and a master suite that's essentially a home within a home, this beach house offers everything Lady Gaga needs to unwind after a high-octane career. The outdoor space is just as stunning, with a courtyard featuring a fireplace, a saltwater swimming pool with a spa, and amazing views of the ocean. The home offers an ambience of peace and quiet, providing Gaga with her much-needed sanctuary away from the spotlight. Her home isn't just for living. It's a place for inspiration, creation, and relaxation. 5. Donna Karan's house in Turks and Caicos. Fashion mogul Donna Karan's beach house in Turks and Caicos is a beautiful tribute to love, serenity, and memory. Bought in the early 2000s, this sprawling estate on a private island was a personal project that came from a promise made to her late husband, Stephen Weiss. Karen transformed a 10-acre beachfront property into a series of villas and pavilions, each designed for relaxation and comfort. The architecture is a mix of stone, wood, and glass, with large open spaces that seamlessly connect to the surrounding natural environment. Inside, the house is adorned with art from Bali and Africa, reflecting Karen's taste and love for culture. With coral stone walls, walnut flooring, and a sense of peacefulness throughout, the house is both elegant and welcoming. This luxurious beach house offers total privacy, allowing Donna Karen to enjoy the peaceful surroundings of the Caribbean while connecting with her past and honoring her late husband's legacy. 6. Tiger Woods Mansion in Jupiter Island. When you think of golf's elite, you can't forget Tiger Woods. His $54 million beachfront property in Jupiter Island, Florida, is a reflection of his success both on and off the course. The estate includes 2 separate living spaces, one being a 3,300 square foot living quarters, and the other a 6,400 square foot multi-purpose building that houses a world-class gym, media room, and wine cellar. The estate is surrounded by lush landscaping, with palm trees lining the property for added privacy. Tiger's luxury mansion offers much more than just a place to live. It's a sanctuary that reflects his passion for the game of golf. The estate even features a 4-hole practice area with 6 bunkers for Tiger to refine his skills. This is no ordinary beach house. It's a place where luxury and performance come together seamlessly. It's an ideal location for Tiger Woods to relax, train, and spend quality time with his family. 7. Jeff Bezos Beach House. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos purchased a $68 million beach house in the exclusive Indian Creek Village, also known as a billionaire bunker, in Miami. This gated community boasts only around 30 homes, offering some of the most exclusive privacy in the world. The 9,259 square foot beach house sits on a 2.8 acre plot, offering breathtaking views of the turquoise waters of Biscayne Bay. The house features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a swimming pool surrounded by lush palm trees. The secluded location is perfect for someone who values privacy and wants to escape from the public eye. What sets this property apart is its impressive security measures, including its own private police department. This beach house offers a level of exclusivity that's hard to match, making it one of the most sought-after properties in Miami. For Jeff Bezos, this beach house isn't just a vacation property. It's a piece of personal retreat and luxury where he can escape from his busy professional life. 8. Jay-Z and Beyoncé's Malibu Mansion. And finally, topping our list is a luxurious $200 million beachfront mansion owned by power couple Jay-Z and Beyoncé. Located on the coveted Billionaires Row in Malibu, this estate offers unparalleled views of the Pacific Ocean and is set on an 8-acre bluff. The property is designed with a brutalist architectural style, featuring a 40,000 square foot mansion at its center. The estate was commissioned by art collector William Bell and later sold to the couple in 2023. The house includes numerous luxurious features like infinity pools, private galleries, and expansive living spaces that reflect their taste for exclusivity. The Carter's Mansion is not only an iconic piece of real estate, but also an architectural masterpiece. With its modern yet elegant design, it reflects their status as one of the most influential couples in the entertainment industry. The mansion is a perfect mix of sophistication, privacy, and elegance, making it the ultimate luxury beach house. There you have it, the top 8 most luxurious beach houses owned by celebrities. These residences aren't just places to stay. They're symbols of success, exclusivity, and unparalleled comfort. Which one would you choose if you had the chance to own one? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxurious content. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more videos showcasing the world's most opulent properties. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living large.